Good learning for container homes. Never ever put water pumps or pipes without insulation. I was planning to put my AC like this and then put the coil unit outside like this. Don't do that. Why? The noise is too high. Let me show you. So here is the marker beyond 50 feet. We have actually 3 feet, so 53 feet from the tide mark, marked by 2 different USVI companies, and we are more than 12 feet behind it, and this is all the grass. Okay, all the grass in front, but the cars are killing the grass there. Okay, and we are cleaning the environment. Look, that's what we find here, and we are trying to preserve this area. Now the cars are not parking here, so it's getting better, but it's so much trash. Can you see? Can you see that? It's so much trash. Plastic bags with like foam, and at least now we can preserve at least this spot here because it's just too much microplastic, bottles and everything destroying it. So we're gonna just preserve it a little bit better. Right here, landing, I'm gonna have some salad and look at the view. Cannot get better than this, right? It's gorgeous, right? Yay! It's Win.
Hi!
She is the owner of the Landing, best restaurant here in Cane Bay. She also makes the best beer ever. She owns the brewery here. Please tell them
everybody.
a little bit.
Come to St. Croix, visit us, visit the brewery, eat at the beach.
She's the best.
He's the best.
So she's helping us and guiding us and supporting us. She's amazing. She is just amazing. She's a business person, but at the same time a great person that supports people, provides employment for all the people here. She's great. She's great. So if you come to St. Croix, come here. She's amazing. Salad, guys.
That is the spring mix with chicken.
That's chicken, grilled chicken. I'm not a seafood person. I can eat shrimp and lobster, but besides that, this place is amazing. Right? Friend Colan, that is actually not my friend. I thought he was my best friend, but he's not my best friend. He's my brother. So I forgot to rent my car, and he got me a brand new Ranger out of the blue in 5 minutes. Now I can continue building and doing my work for us because that dude is a damn beast. He is a damn beast. Car is perfect, brand new, all set up, damage waiver, safe, new. The guy is like, Jesus Christ, I could not ask for anything better. If you have a friend like that dude, you just like, you're settled, man. You're good. Yep. Get together with people that you blindly trust. That's the most important for you to succeed. Remember that. Make real friends. Not an easy day today. We have cords, we have plugs, we have the generator. And maybe the containers were too close to the beach and rust could impact animal life. Well, so rust is a natural occurrent iron dioxide, so it doesn't. And actually, because we put the posts and the container there on logs, it's not really on the sand. Cars with gasoline, oil, fluids cannot park there. So actually the nature is way better. So despite the challenges, apesar dos desafios, we're moving forward. We're trying to do something that no one did before. And it's challenging. A gente está tentando algo que nunca ninguém tentou antes. So we are sticking to the rules, we are sticking to the law. and following it. And então a gente está seguindo as regras, seguindo as leis. But we have good news. We have time to enjoy a little bit during the night. We are here at Landings as usual, and they have like a little party. Mas tem tempo para aproveitar um pouquinho de festa durante a noite. E tem um luau aqui. Nice, right? I'm gonna eat another salad. Enjoy. Keep following us. Sigam assistindo os vídeos aí, a gente vai mostrar tudo que a gente está fazendo aqui. Will be a hard task. Will be a hard, high bar mission, but we're gonna accomplish it. And I hope we have the understanding of people to do the right thing. A gente está seguindo a lei, a gente espera que tenha o bom senso das pessoas para seguir, que é lei.